Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy XRP Ripple on Trading 212 app. To follow along, have the Trading 212 app open on your phone or use the web platform in your browser, and make sure you're signed into your account so you can access search and place an order. Start by opening Trading 212. From the main screen, look for the search function. On mobile, it's typically the magnifying glass icon. On desktop, you'll find a search bar near the top. Tap or click. Search to bring up the instrument finder. In the search field, type XRP. This helps surface instruments and related listings that mention XRP or Ripple. Keep in mind that availability can vary by region and account type, so results may include assets associated with XRP rather than the token itself. That's why it's important to read the instrument details before you proceed. When the results appear, switch to the Stocks tab to focus on the stock market listings connected to your query. This narrows down the list to equities rather than other categories. From the stock results, select Armada Acquisition. This is the item shown in the search results for this walkthrough. Before moving on, glance over the summary, ticker symbol, and market information, so you're clear on exactly what you're choosing. Confirm the listing, then continue. Next, choose Buy. This opens the order ticket where you can set how much you'd like to invest. You can usually enter either the amount of money you want to spend or the number of shares you want to purchase, depending on the options shown. If you're new to the platform, consider starting with a small amount while you get comfortable, and take a moment to check any displayed pricing, spreads, or estimated costs so you know what you're committing to. Enter your desired value, then proceed to review order. On this screen, carefully confirm the instrument name, the order type, the quantity or cash amount, and the estimated total. If the market is closed, you may see the order queued for the next session. If it's open, you'll see a live estimate. When everything looks correct, select Submit Order. The platform will process your request and provide a confirmation once it's placed. You can then view the position in your portfolio and monitor its performance from the app or web interface. That's it. You searched for XRP, filtered to stocks, selected Armada Acquisition from the results, set your amount, reviewed the details, and submitted the order. Always double-check the instrument you're buying, and remember that investing carries risk. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.